Welcome to Rishvi Limited. First, open your Linnworks account. Go to Shipping Integration. Click Add Integration. Search for StreamTech. Click Integrate. Enter account name. Press Next. Press Next. Enter the details which you'll get from the stream: client ID, client secret, and API base URL. Here, check if you have partner account. Enter partner account ID and partner account name. Fill out the other details. Enable order sync if you want the scheduler to fetch the orders automatically. You can check the documentation link given in the description for any further queries. Enable dispatch sync if you want order dispatch status updates to automatically send back to stream. Here, enter the number of days you want to check back for. Here, you can enter any prefix to apply to order numbers submitted to stream. It'll not apply in Linnworks. Here, check if you want to submit today's date as the hands-on date on stream requests. Now, webhook features enables webhook subscriptions and real-time delivery event processing. When group sequence identifier enabled, orders will include a group sequence identifier to maintain proper ordering in stream. In label reference type, Linnworks order ID will be selected by default. Keep it as it is. Then click Next. Then go to Services from here. From here, select Stream Generic Service and click Add. Click Edit. Select Label Format. Here are example of different types of label. Select number of labels to print copy, if required. In Stream Configuration, select Order Type. Select Delivery Method. Here, you can find all your methods from Depot. This will be selected here automatically. If you check Override Packaging Split, it overrides the default packaging split calculation for this service. If you skip Composite Parent, it excludes composite parent items from the item list submitted to stream. Only child items are sent. If you check Mark Order as processed on delivered, it automatically mark order as processed in Linnworks when delivery confirmation is received. Here, enter service and service level names. Then click OK. Now, to send orders automatically, right-click, go to Shipping, change Service, StreamTech, select Stream Generic Service. Now, if you want to send orders immediately, click Order to Stream button. It'll send your order on top priority in next iteration. If you want to send the order on the spot, right-click on Order. Print Shipping Label, click Print to PDF. Once your order is sent to stream, you can find this identifier on order in Linnworks. If any error encountered, you can find this type of identifier on order. You can check the error reason in notes. Once you solve that, remove error identifier from your order, and your order will be sent to stream in next iteration. In advanced planning, Run identifier will be assigned to your orders. In Run, you must need to enter the value between 1 to 20. Particular day identifier will assign when order is scheduled. If you haven't checked this, orders will not sync automatically every 5 minutes. Also, if you click Order to Stream button, it will not send orders to stream until and unless you print the label particularly. So, make sure to check this in Configuration Settings. If you have unchecked this, then once your order is delivered, a note will be added to your order with time and proof of delivery. Contact us at info@rishvi.co.uk or visit www.rishvi.co.uk.